Alright, working on cleaning up the gasket surfaces. This side is ready for the final wipe and scrape down with a plastic blade and a metal blade. Single edge razor blade. Pretty clean. This side I haven't touched yet besides with a little carb cleaner. You see how dirty that is? All the stuff that came off right there in the valley. Over here is the intake. Painted the top of it. This is the dirty side. I haven't touched it yet. Got to be scraped down, cleaned up. This side I cleaned up already. Needs a final wipe and it's ready to install there. And there's a product I use to clean the metal surfaces. Acetone. Works great. Takes everything off. Surprisingly, I even got it on my shirt, and it didn't do anything to the fabric of my shirt. So next will be placing the intake with the gasket and sealer, and then let it sit up for 24 hours to cure.